It's as cool as it sounds. And as it looks. Ice blasting. Dry ice, frozen at negative 108 degrees, propelled by compressed air at supersonic speeds, up to 5 pounds of ice per minute, onto delicate surfaces in need of deep cleaning. Project manager Chase Bissig says ice blasting is the perfect solution for mitigating fire damage to the ceiling and rafters at a historic Nashville church.
So we're going to utilize ice blasting to clean the roof system. It's a very expeditious manner to clean it very thoroughly. We'll go up, we'll remove some of the ceiling joists to get the boom up there. We'll clean the system, get it prepped and ready for encapsulation. So instead of having 1 or 2, 3 people going up there wet wiping it or dry sponging it, again, the joists, they're not meant to be standing on, so you have to get this boom up there. So to expedite the cleaning of it, the ice blasting is the best method.
It's not just quicker. Ice blasting also provides a higher standard of clean without toxins or residue left behind.
It is a very thorough method for removing the soot and odor. It'll get it prepped and ready for the next phase of it, which will be encapsulation. We're going to encapsulate all the exposed wood framing, studs, and the roof system itself. It's not as messy as soda blasting or sand blasting, so the cleanup is much more efficient.
Efficiency is important, especially when you're dealing with tedious work on a large scale.
We've got to pull some of those beams out, move the boom forward, get up there, clean a section, almost as a grid. We'll break it out into 5 to 6 sections in a grid-like pattern, clean it, go back down the boom, reinstall those support beams, move over, and do the same thing again.
Repetitive work, but the kind that hopefully means a repeat customer if they ever need Chase and his team again.
So it is a little time consuming, but again, I think the customer is very happy with the final product.
In Nashville, Lauren Fletcher, SERVPRO TV.